All right, girls. So I started publishing on Amazon KDP in 2018, and I've made multiple six figures publishing books.
Okay, so first of all, she said, all right, girl. So although she made the video only for her female audience, but the business is not female only business. If you have a 9-to-5 day job and you can squeeze out 2 to 3 hours per day, which you definitely can, this video, inshallah, will help you make a lot of money.
Specifically coloring books. So here are the things I wish I knew before starting on Amazon KDP, which, by the way, you can start from anywhere in the world, even as a beginner. And so the first thing I wish I would have known is that KDP can terminate your account at any time.
All right, she started with the good news that you can work from anywhere. And on the second line, she said a bad news. Your account can be terminated anytime. So everyone out there who follows me and makes videos on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and sometimes you get your account suspended or shut down, you see, this happens everywhere. It's not a big deal. There are remedies for everything. Before we move forward, I have a question for you. Is there anything stopping you from smashing the like button under this video? Because you see, like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media accounts. Then YouTube algorithm knows that this is a good video. They should show it to more and more people. And our content is all about helping you change and upgrade your financial condition. If you do that, then more and more people will know about this. They will get help and you will be a part of changing others' lives. What's stopping you? Go like and share. Oh, we have a goal of having 5,000 followers, subscribers by the end of this month. And without your help, we can't do it. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video and you will not miss the next one. Make sure you tell your friends and family to subscribe as well. Let's go. As usual, I have already done the homework for you, analyzed the whole video, and turned it into a step-by-step tutorial. So everything in this video is not important. I'm going to tell you what's important to make money right now. First, how to avoid getting your accounts terminated. Number one, make sure you know the right category of your book. If you don't know, you should go back to Amazon category documentation and make sure you choose the right category for your book. For example, coloring books, go in coloring books, not activity books. Next, make sure your keywords match what your book is about. And third is the most important. Don't rely on Amazon. Sell your books on your own website too. Shopify is a good option. I completely disagree. And here's my reason. If you want to sell your books on Amazon KDP, go do it. It will probably give you quick cash. Go ahead, go to Amazon.com and choose coloring books. Look at the number of sales. I mean, 2,855 5-star rating, 3,814 rating. The number of sales are minimum 10 times the number of ratings. So they sold a lot. If you mimic them, model them, take their style and just publish your book, however, you will make money, inshallah. However, did you look at the price of the book? $7, $9. In order to make $1,000, you need to move 143 copies at $7. And once you sell a $7 book, the customer is happy and the customer may or may not buy anything else from you, which means the only way you can make money from this system is by making new books and publishing new books, which means this process takes you to another 9 to 5 if you have time for another 9 to 5. However, there are two solutions for this, and I want you to take both the solutions. Solution number one is use AI automation. This is definitely a topic for another video. And the second one is sell your books on your own website with a deep sales funnel with multiple offers. It has to be completely AI operated, and your book price may start from $5 or even less. Now you must be confused. Mosh, you were saying $7 is less. Now you want to sell books for $5 from your website? Yes, because the customers on your website will not only buy a $7 book. Some of them will buy through the whole funnel. Now, what is a funnel? Whether you already know what a funnel is or you don't know, I recommend you go and watch this free training. The link to the training is below this video in the description. This training video will show you our 99% done for you system. Not only that, if you watch the full training from start to end, you will learn how we use AI-powered funnel or money machine to make $1,000 sale. This video will cover two things: the complete education. You will know about what we do, how we make money, and how we help beginner students just like you who have a 9-to-5 day job, busy parents, busy businessmen, businesswomen, students all over the world earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. All these people I'm showing you are the members of our 99% done for you program. Making this kind of commissions were easy for them because we literally did 99% of the technical work for them. So they didn't have to worry about what a funnel is or how to build it because we build it for them. But if you are new, don't worry about it. This training will show you everything. What a marketing funnel is, how AI is used, how we make money with free traffic, we get free customers from social media, and the training link is in the description below. Go watch it, and after watching the training, if you still have questions, click here and ask this AI agent. It will answer all the questions you have. But if you still want to speak to me one-on-one, simply DM me on Instagram or send me a message on Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. So now you know that you can use AI automation to build and sell $7 books on Amazon that will also be passive, and which we recommend is using both the systems, Amazon KDP and selling through your own website through a deep marketing funnel where the customers have an opportunity to buy $5 books to way up to $50,000 offers. Now, if that sounds a lot to you, don't worry about $50,000 for now. Let's focus on the 5-step process that this video was talking about, and I will show you all in one go. The first one is pick a profitable niche. We will find a profitable niche later. First, we go to the second step, which is avoid Amazon termination, which we already covered. So we go to the third one, invest in AI and education. Let's begin. I will show you exactly what I am doing to start selling my book writing AI software. It's called Bookmaster AI. It's the fastest way to write self-selling books. So what is self-selling books? This is book. What is the job of a book? Giving info, the story, entertainment, value? Wrong. These are not the jobs of a book. A book has two jobs. One is rent, and the second is making more and more money. But this money starts with rent. What is rent? R starts with relevant or relatable. So your book has to be something relevant or relatable to what your audience wants. A stands for authority. If you don't have authority, people will not listen to you. But you might be saying, Mosh, I don't have authority. I don't know anything about anything. I only have a day job. Here is the quickest way of establishing authority instantly. You might have noticed I started with this video because this video creator has 38,000 subscribers and this video got 47,000 views, which means this video creator has authority and this video was liked by a lot of people. But by showing her channel and the title of the video and everything else, I am not stealing her content. Instead, I have borrowed the authority. Now you see how easy it is? Just borrow authority legally, don't steal. The third one, you have to come up with something new because your audience are looking for something new. They are always buying something new. And hey, remember, this new is not just one book. You have to bring something new consistently. So consistency is the key. And when you are consistent and coming up with something new all the time, then you build trust. Because when people see somebody over and over again, they start to build trust on that person. And trust is crucially important for selling more and more. Now, how do you sell more? Because you already sold a book. Your book should be written in a way that it works as a sales copy. The book content should be able to sell more. And this is why I made this AI agent. This AI agent writes self-selling books for us. And we shared an example of making $17,000 from one book. Now, currently we are running ads on one of the books. We spent around $281 so far and we made $700 in return. That's $500 profit. Sounds good? I will drop a link to Bookmaster in the description below this video. So I want to sell my software, but if I sell exactly the same thing others are selling, that nobody will buy from me. So I need something unique, a unique hook. So I came to Perplexity AI. It's an AI platform similar to ChatGPT, but the primary job of this AI platform is to work as a search engine. And they also have deep research option. So I said, I built a book software that writes books with AI. Now I want AI to do a deep market research, find competitors' offers, features, benefits, marketing hooks, USP, price, and everything else I should know about launching my software. Go. And I got a detailed report, competitor landscape analysis, the market segmentation, features, pricing strategy, even customer acquisition tactics. We can offer a freemium lead magnet, which means we give away free trial and eventually some users will upgrade to the paid version. It says 87% of the analyzed tools offer free tiers or trial, with first Book AI using its outline builder as a gateway. So you see what I'm going? I asked AI to do the research for me. The AI analyzed 37 sources and came up with this detailed report. It gave me the information I'm looking for. These are the prices and the features and the target audience of the other software. Now I am going to take this full report and I will go to ChatGPT or Claude or any other platforms that can write sales copy and find out unique hooks and unique way to present my software. And this video gave us 3 different niches. One is coloring books on KDP, journals, planners. You can sell them on Amazon as well as Etsy, and selling on Shopify. Now, here's something interesting. I personally wouldn't recommend using Shopify because Shopify is a store builder application. And I don't think using stores is the best way to sell your book. Then the question is, why is she recommending? That goes back to why the video creator even made the video. ChatGPT analyzed it, and look at this. She is an affiliate of Shopify, and this link right here is an affiliate link. If you click this link and sign up to Shopify, then she will earn a commission. This is a Canva affiliate link, and this is her own course on coloring books. Don't get me wrong, there is nothing wrong with that. I'm actually showing you how to make money by showing you how she is making money, and by also showing you how we make money. And if this looks like a lot of work, then the truth is it is a lot of work, but it's worth it. But in case if the first thing comes to your mind that you have a 9 to 5 day job and the only time you have per day is 2 to 3 hours, what can you do with it? Then I have a solution for you. And the solution is this. Just focus on AI and use AI to learn new skills. Use your experience of using AI and use the new skill, new knowledge that you have learned. Then use both of them and make short form videos, not long form videos like mine. Short form videos, 30 seconds to 90 seconds long. These short form videos are popular on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Upload the same video in all the platforms. All of them will send you viewers. These viewers are your future customers. Now your viewers should go through an AI-powered sales funnel. This sales funnel's job is to sell on your behalf. And when there is a sale, someone buys from you, you will earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commissions like the members of our program earn. And the best of the best part, the reason why our members love our program is that it's 99% done for you. And you can learn about the whole thing from a free training from the link in the description. Guys, we put a lot of effort to make this video only for you. So you learn something, implement, and actually get results, make money. And we need a support from you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and switch on the notification bell button. This way you will help us get 5,000 subscribers in next 30 days. And YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.